It's really critical to understand and report on your production. In Shape, we have lead funnel and conversion reports to track how leads are converting through your pipeline. We also have pipeline and production metrics, as well as call insights, etc., and so forth. The list goes on. I'm going to specifically be covering the pipeline and production metric reports in this video, which break down your information by user, source, and also month as well. What this does is it'll show you the particular source in this report, and it will show you how many new leads that you got, how many made it through key milestones in your pipeline all the way through to closed. So you can understand your production pull through from start to finish. This is defaulting to the current month to date, but these reports are historic. So you can look month over month, week over week, or day over day. Just like I'm showing you here in the source report, you can also break it down by user. And then just to show you a preview of some of our lead funnel and conversion as well, we also have this broken down to see your leads by day of week. So how many leads you received, of those leads, how many calls were made, average speed to contact call. You can choose your statuses that you're looking to track, and it's going to give you a visual view of what that looks like up above. In addition, it's going to give you your conversion metrics calculated out for you, and if you have your cost per lead set up in your settings pages, it'll also tell you your CPL, CPA, etc. If you have any questions on our reporting and production reports, let us know.